Hello and welcome. I'm Trip. In this special episode, I got the FRS back. Yay! I dropped it off at the body shop earlier this week because the passenger side frame was a little tweaked. The passenger side was pushed back a full inch, so it got pulled. So now my frame is straight again. Now that's back, a lot of little things I still need to do to it. The car's still not perfect. I'm probably gonna buy some different hood hinges, because these were kind of questionable. It's still kind of bowing up a little bit on this side, and the gap's not perfect. So I'll try another set. I need to do a lot of the plastic stuff, like the fog light. I'll probably just make little covers for those. I need to install a fender lining for this side. That one's still fine. I need to build another splitter because mine exploded to a billion pieces. So yeah, it's a lot of little things I need to do to this car to get it track ready again. I plan on buying hood louvers because I like the way they look, which means I get to cut into my new hood. So that's awesome. I need to paint my bumper. But yeah, a lot of stuff needs to be done to this car. At least it drives straight and I can drive it again. Not that that stopped me from driving.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. On my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger.
Hey, as you see, I'm back at Nashville Superspeedway. Bought the FRS. This will be my first Autocross with this swap, and also the first event I've done with the car back in one piece. So, see how she does. I also have fresh new tires, TRSCCA, and at the same time on the track. Too bad I'm not on the track. I'll let you do. We have one lap of America here the same day, the Super-K. So they're doing the Speedway. If you don't know what one lap of America is, I'll look it up. It's a pretty cool event. Essentially like it's like an all-week thing, or week and a half thing, where they drive from track to track in the race car. You have to drive the race car with the tires that they're running from event to event, and do an event, then travel to the next event, kind of like drag week, but it's for track stuff. So, pretty cool event. I am in XA class, first time running in this class. I used to be in STX, but the engine swap kind of bumped me up quite a bit. I haven't looked around to see what the competition is yet, but not really worrying about being too competitive. I'm just here to have fun and tone some laps. So I'm gonna go do my track walk, and that way I don't get lost when I go out there.
Michael Cushman crosses the line.
that's good or not.
Walker improves to 38.347, 38.347. He moves from 6 to 5th.
Hey, I'm back from Autocross. I'm done. Had a good time turning some laps and hanging out with my One Lap of America guy buddies. Car did solid all day. Didn't have any issues out of all. Engine stayed strong. She handled pretty good. She did have a lot of oversteer. It seemed like in a few of the corners. So I may have to do some splits and tweaking to kind of figure that out. It wasn't super competitive, but it wasn't slow either. It did okay. It could have done better. But I'm just happy to have a car that runs good and looks halfway decent. There's still some tweaks that need to be made to make it look a little better, but it's not terrible. Okay, maybe I lied a little bit. I did have a little small issue that I forgot about. My fuse box wasn't secured the greatest, and it fell over and touched my header right there. See a little toasty bit? Yeah, it could have been bad. It had a lot of black plastic on the pedal, but look, I was able to scrape most of it off. Looks a little nasty now. I'll take a buff out. Might need to replace that relay, or whatever that is. Not sure what it is. Apparently that's the number 2 fan relay, so nothing too super vital. It'll be alright. I can get on. I don't know what's next, really. All the things I need to do to it, all things I've already made videos on, like little hood vents, stuff like that. So I'm not sure yet what's coming next for this thing. I don't have anything soon planned for it, like any other track events. So yeah, let's figure that out, and you can come back whenever I do. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and it was a lot of fun. Anytime I get to whip on it, take it to a track, do anything like that, it's always fun. Good driving call, feels great. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe, really helps me out. And I'll see you next time. Peace.